Okay, Major Shane Cook, everybody. Is he going to get the cross? No, he doesn't. Excellent. Coming in second, Sergeant Scott Corduroy. So Scott will follow in. Shane, let's have it for Scott as he comes in. Okay, Scotty's making a dynamic assessment now as he comes in. He'll turn into wind. Should get over into the arena. Excellent. Big cheers, big cheers. Oh no, hold on, that's Corporal Mears. Big cheers for Corporal Mears. Excellent, well done, Corporal Mears. Landed safely. Here comes our third parachutist. This time, Sergeant Corduroy. Fantastic, and then last man in is Colonel Dan Anders Brown, the birthday boy. He might get the cross. Oh, almost. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
I think he won.